Hello everyone, welcome to the Competitive Triple V. Let us see today IIT JEE Mains Advanced question on the thermodynamics chapter. So let us start with the question. An ideal gas undergoing the cyclic process shown below. A to B isothermal expansion, B to C isochoric and C to A adiabatic compression. So here cyclic process they are seeing, and according to the data we can see that only 3 points were there. A to B, B to C and C to A. It is complete closed system. So here first A to B is given as a isothermal, that to expansion. Next one B to C, if you see, that is given as a isochoric process. Along with cooling is taking place in this process, and C to A is given as adiabatic compression. Okay, so cyclic system. And now which statement is correct regarding this? The given net work done by the gas is 0, net heat absorbed by the gas is 0, net work done by the gas is equals the net heat absorbed by the gas. Internal energy increases after one complete cycle. So from this, what will be the correct answer? How to choose? Let us start with the solution. So first of all, if you see the question here, the given cyclic in the question, ideal gas here given. First thing, ideal gas is given, and along with that cyclic process is given. So cyclic is given. So then here that means internal energy will become 0. Then this is the first thing we have to identify. Next, now we have to apply the first law of thermodynamics. What is that? Q is equals to delta U plus W. So then here already we got the value of internal energy as a 0, and then automatically Q is equals to W we will get. So then over one complete cycle, so net heat absorbed is equals to net work done. Heat absorbed is equals to net work done. So then from that what will be the answer? Net work done by the gas is equals to the net heat absorbed by the gas. So option is C. Then so here only C option is correct we are thinking. Then we have to know why A and B and D can't be as a correct answers. Let us see. So net work is not necessarily 0. Net work done by the gas is 0. Work done is not equal to 0. Here absorbed and work done is given. So in that aspect it won't be 0. So it will not be considered. So A option is incorrect. And if work is non-zero, that cannot be Q is equals to W. If work is non-zero, heat cannot be 0 because Q is equals to 0. Net heat absorbed by the gas is 0. Means here what is the meaning of this? Q supposed to be 0. But according to this answer, we say that it is not possible. And next, basically internal energy is a state function. So after the complete transaction of the cycle, internal energy will become 0. Means it is remains the same. But here what is the given? Increases is given. So that's why the statement also incorrect. So here what we have to remember? Now let us see with the memory trick. In the question they given cyclic word. means same state in the closed system. Then internal energy will be 0, and automatically this leads to give Q is equals to W. So no lengthy calculations are required. Generally, by using the expressions only, by using the words here given from that, and by taking the consideration of constantly given straightforward statements, we can able to get the answer. So here a real life example I will let you know. So imagine you are climbing to the first floor of your house and then came back to where you started. So here starting point is equals to ending point. Then change in the height will become 0. So here even though you worked for it, you changed your place and you are done work, but still the position became initial and final remained the same. So in the meanwhile in the thermodynamic cycle, gas may absorb heat and do work, but internal energy never used to be changed. Okay, so here simple example, one more example I'll give you. Whenever you are writing exam, suppose IIT mains exam only you are writing for 3 hours, suppose in 3 hours time, starting point till ending point, exam paper whatever is given, that only you are going to finish. No other question or you are going to complete it. So you are solving the question that's supposed to be work done, and you are keeping your output to solve the question, that will become heat absorption. But when it comes to the final internal energy, means here total number of questions starting to end remains the same. In this way we can able to remember how to find out. When it comes to the cycling, definitely you have to think that they are in the same state, internal energy will become 0, but work done by the system along with the heat energy absorption or release will be takes place. Everyone, I hope everyone understood clearly, and keep on watch and keep on support us. Please like, share, subscribe. Still whatever the your whatever may be your opinion, please comment, and be gathered in the class to communicate and practice more questions in easy way and get it easily. So thanks to one and all for watching, and please once again I am giving you reminder that please subscribe and like and share.